Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on INFINIX Zero Ultra. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, find the app called Google Classroom. Select it and download it. When it's ready, hit the open. Now you can click on Get Started and sign in to the account to be used for this app. Click on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code in the pool right here, and when it's ready, click on Join and you should be with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.